How to hide tokens without balance on Metamask. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide tokens without balance on Metamask in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask app right here, as you can see, and we click on the app, and now this is the home page. Now you have to go to the top corner right here, click here, and now go to settings. And after that you need to choose general, the first option right here, click on it, and now you go down and you will find the option of hide tokens without balance. You can turn it on or turn it off as you want. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.